welcome to Maths Live Times Table Test. So a little bit more organised today than last week, so I actually have the sheet, and I thought it'd be useful if you don't have the sheet that I'll have the numbers written down. So if you're not a patron and you haven't got the sheet, become a patron. That's a really easiest way to do it because it's a really funky sheet that it is. If you're not, write these numbers down the side of your page. So 5 times 8 and 6 and 4, just down the side of the page. I couldn't fit these underneath, so they go underneath like that. So have those ready, and then in about a minute I will tell you what the 3 times tables of the day are. But what I should be doing is some shout outs. So let me find the video. Here we go. I'm not even said good morning yet. Sorry, I'm not even said good morning on the feed yet. Good morning to Jay and Tom in Royston, Ollie in South Africa. Hi, Ollie. We've got Rowan in Scotland. We've got Liberty. Yes, you can have a shout out, but tell me your name. We've got Nathan. Hi, Nathan. Okay. Let's have a look. I'll just put that down there. So, hope you're ready. Get that brain ready. So what I'm going to do is these times tables, I'm going to read out the 3 numbers that you're going to do the times table for. So I'll say the first one, and then do it quick for all these, and then the second one and the third one, okay? So you're doing 3 different times tables. I hope that makes sense. So the times tables you're going to have a go at for all these numbers, this pen. Okay, are 2. That's your first times table. So you'll go through and do 2. Just write it next to all these numbers. Okay, the next one after that is 8. So when you've done your 2s, maybe on the next part, you'll have a go at your 8 and your 11s. I've been a bit nice to you today. I think 2 of them, pretty easy. And then I thought, I'll put a trickier one in the middle. So have a go at those. So you need to have a go at your 2 times table, your 8 times table, and your 11 times table in order of those. Okay. Hi, Arthur. Okay. Bella is coming. I told her 10:30. Oh, did I write the time wrong? I'm sorry. Dear me, it's me that's faffing then. We've got George, we've got Lucy in Surrey, we've got Torrin, hi. Welcome, Torrin. Hope you're okay. Okay. So I'll go quiet, I'll let you concentrate. Oh, I did put 10:30. What am I like? Hi, Rufus. I'm still trying to work out how long to give you to do these. I'd say given there's 12 numbers, about 30 seconds for each times table, possibly. And given there's 3, about 2 minutes. That's probably a good. I don't want to give you too long, but I don't want to do it too short. Maybe just tell me on the feed when you're done, and then when there's quite a lot of people done. Hi Bella, sorry, it's my fault that you're late. What should we do again? Okay, so these are the times tables, so write them down the side of your page. Times 5, times 8, times 6. Just write this down the side of your page, keep these going. And I've told you the times tables you're trying to write down are the 2s, the 8s and the 11s. So you'll do, right, times 5, 2 times 5, so you'll do 10. and 2 times 8, and you'll write the answer. And then you'll go again with your 8s, and then you'll go again with your 11s. That's why they're all mixed up on purpose. Trying to do it. Don't go like, oh, there's the 1 and there's the 2. Like, oh, 2, 4. Do it. Try and do it in the mixed up order. It'll help you more with your times tables. Okay. Like I say, this sheet, which I can show you because it's blank, I haven't put the answers in, but I'll just show you. This is the sheet from the Patreon page, and as you can see, down this side, it has all the numbers, and then you just write in the box what your answers are. So it is really, really nice. So if you do want to become a patron, I know a lot of you already are, then super. And I'm just working on next week's lessons. I love my first activity on Monday. It's like sort of half maths, half PE. So, I have a rhyme to remember 8. Yeah, I ate and I ate and I was sick on the floor. 8 times 8. Why am I telling you? I'm not telling you the answer. Yeah, I nearly told you what the actual answer was then. I do love that trick. Okay, I'm going to give you about 30 seconds. 30 seconds. So if you have finished, you can just scan through your answers. If you haven't finished, just wrap up. What I'll do is go through one at a time. You can tick off or make an amendment. Don't worry if you get one wrong, just change it. You're learning, making mistakes. Yeah. Okay, right, I'm going to get started. So I'll write the answers next to it, but obviously say it out loud. So we're doing the 2s first. So 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 12, 24. 2 times 11, 22. 2 times 10, 20. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, 4. So those are all the answers for your 2 times table. So well done if you got those right and you did it in that order. It's great, great practice, okay? Excellent. Right, 8 now. This is the tricky one, okay? So, 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 8, I was 8 and I ate and I was sick on the floor. 8 times 8 is 64. And that's a really good rhyme because if you're really, for some reason, if you can't remember like 7 times 8 or 9 times 8, if you know 8 to 64, you can then add on 8 to get 9 times 8. Or you could subtract 8 to get 7 times 8. So 8 times 6, 6, 8, 40. Oh, 48. What am I doing? I'm writing the 6 and the 8. 6, 48. 4 8s are 32. Okay. 9 8s are 72. 7 8s are 56. 1 8 is 8. 12 8s are 96. 11 8s are 88. 10 8s are 80. 3 8s are 24. And 2 8s are 16. Let's see how you're getting along. Let's see how you're getting along. Good. Okay, and the last one, the 11s. Which, let's say, is pretty easy. Okay. So we can't just leave them out though. It's still good to repeat it. Right. 11 times 5 is 55. 11 times 8 is 88. 11 times 6 is 66. 11 times 4 is 44. 11 times 9 is 99. 11 times 7 is 77. 11 times 1 is 11. Oh, what's 11 times 12? Because this is when it gets trickier. So, 10 11s are 110. Okay, so if you get stuck on that, you then have to go to 11 times 11. So it's another 11 on top of that. So that's 121. Okay, can you see, because you've got, because 11 times 11, sorry, 10 times 11, you add the 0. If you add 11 to that, it becomes 121. And it starts to look a bit funny because it's not the number, you know, at the end we've all got the same number. So if you're not sure, 10 times 11 is 110. 11 times 11, add on the 11 to that, and then it's same with the 12. So 132. So I know that's one that does get annoying, but if you use this fact and then add on the 11s, that can really, really help you. 11 times 3, 33. 11 times 2, 22. Let's have a see. Let's have a see. Brilliant. Fantastic. Do all right? Everyone do okay? Yeah? I would say, and we think the 11's, but that one, that's a really good way to remember it. What do you think, guys? Brilliant. Ollie got the 132. 30 out of 30. Amazing. Lucy got them all right. Yay! Okay. Fantastic. Yay! Full marks. Amazing. Brilliant. Okay. Well, that's it. It was weird last week, wasn't it? Because I did a lesson and then I did the times table test, whereas today it's just a short times table test. So I will leave you to enjoy the rest of your day. I'm going to put in the events of Maths Live up on the page later, so you'll get a sneak peek of what is going to be in Maths Live next week. But for all of you, whether you've watched live or you're catching up, have a lovely, lovely weekend, and I'll see you next week.